Welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about the language translation using this SheetGPT for all the Google Sheet users. Now, language translation is very important. If you're a person who works in that particular department, you get paid for per minute, 1 rupee per word, you can say. So when it comes to in US dollars, I can say 1 USD, you have to convert 80 words, some countries, and some countries 40 words, depending upon the country you're working. Now, this chat GPT, which is sheet GPT, I can say, can help you convert this language very, very easily, very smoothly. Let's try to understand. First of all, if you see on this screen, I have this A column where there are name of the famous people and the quotes what they're giving. So, for example, Greta Thunberg, she says, "We are not just some young people skipping school, but a wave of change. Together, we are unstoppable." Like this, there are many people who have said something. Elon Musk said something. Dr. Anthony have said something. How do I convert this into a Hindi language? So I can write as GPT, open bracket, and I can tell them translate to Hindi language text given in, and here I can close the bracket, ampersand, and I can select this particular cell, close the bracket here. So I'm telling them to try to convert that into a Hindi language, which particular cell, cell number A3. Now this places I have to do some quotations, I have to do the what you call cell referencing, then only it will work. So if you see हिंदी भाषा में ग्रेटा थनबर्ग द्वारा दिया गया पाठ अनुवाद करें, हम सिर्फ स्कूल छोड़ने वाले स्कूल युवा नहीं है बल्कि परिवर्तन की एक लहर है, मिलकर हम अटल है. Very nice. So I can write over here, and let me zoom the screen so I can write it properly. Here I have to make some changes. The changes should be convert the text given in. So I can just close this bracket, ampersand, select this particular cell. Here I have to do some settings over here, which is dollar sign, and then ampersand in double quotes I can write in the language ampersand, and they can select this particular cell, and here I have to add some dollar sign, and then I can close the bracket. Now what is this dollar sign and what are the other options? I'm assuming you already know Google Sheets, and therefore this is a cherry on the top of your particular topic, and then you can understand. Enter. So now this will convert that into a language which is given on the top. Here it is given as right now Hindi. It is converting the data into Hindi. I can just drag it on the right hand side and then drag it at the bottom. So now this way, if you see on the screen, it is converting the data in all the languages. Even I do not know how to speak, how to read the language, but it is still trying to get the answer. Suppose this is Hindi, this is the most spoken language in India. If I just change it to Tamil, so it will convert the data into the Tamil language. Okay. Now I am a person who can work into 10 different language conversions area. Definitely there will be some mistakes. The context would, if it is not clear, you will not be able to understand. But this is one example of language translation from one place to another using this Sheet GPT add-in for Google users. I hope you have understood, and that's all for this video.